good morning to each one of you. So we are presenting before you the students, the small children of RTF2A. So today they will be anchoring the whole event. Let's cheer for them. Yes, let's cheer for our friends. Yay!
Hello all of you. Join your hands, close your eyes for the shloka. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dharasampata shatrupati vinashaya Deepak Jyoti Namostute Deepak Jyoti Namostute. Welcome and good morning to our respected principal Rajni ma'am, to our respected teacher and to all my dear friends. I am Pranj with my friend Kanishka. Welcome you all for Diwali celebration. On behalf of Little Millennium Walker 2, today we all are gathered here to celebrate Diwali, the festival of light and the victory of good over evil.
And hello, my lovely children, Kanishka and Pranj. Thank you for giving us a welcome, warm welcome. Yes, you all must be eagerly waiting to know the story of Diwali. Yes? So let's welcome Naina from RTF2A itself.
Hi friends, Lord Rama was son of King Ayodhya Dasarath, and he had 3 brothers, Lakshmana, Shatrugna, Bharata. And when Lakshmana and Sita Mata went to forest for exile, a demon named Ravana kidnapped Sita Mata and took her to Lanka. Then Ramji, Lakshmanji and Hanumanji went to Lanka and killed Ravana and kidnapped Sita Mata.
This is how in India we celebrate Dashera, the victory of Ram, the victory of good over evil. So here you must be waiting for Diwali story, right? We are gathered here to celebrate Diwali. So let's hear the story of Diwali from our friend Adya and Pratyush.
Hello friends, on return of Lord Rama, after 40 years of exile to Ayodhya, diyas were lit throughout kingdom. Homecoming of Ramji, Sita Mata and Lakshmanji, Diwali is celebrated. Thank you. Over to you, Pratish. Hello friends, Ayodhya Vasi were very happy. To show that happiness, they lit diyas and ate sweets. So presenting Ramji, Lakshmanji, Sitaji and Hanumanji before you.
So children, we have Kian as Ramji, Arush as Lakshmanji, Ridan as Hanumanji, and Swara as Sita Mata. So you all can see Ramji, Lakshmanji, Hanumanji and Sita Mata.
मैं हूँ मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम दशरथ नंदन राम सब बजे राम राम क्योंकि मैं ही हूँ स्वयं श्री राम सीएम का छोटा आज्ञाकारी छोटा भाई लक्ष्मण पवन का मन राम जी का श्रेष्ठ भट्ट जय बोलो जय श्री राम मैं वो जनक पुत्री श्री राम की पत्नी आदर्श से पूर्ण धरती के गोद में समा जाने वाली सीता माता
लक्ष्मण जी, हनुमान जी। Let's clap your hands together for all of them. How beautiful they all are looking, and welcoming Ramji, Lakshmanji, Hanumanji, and Sita Mata to Ayodhya. The Ayodhya Vasis also danced, and they were so happy.
Hello friends, I hope you enjoyed the dance, but Diwali is not complete without art and craft activities. I request our own Vinita ma'am to teach us how to make lanterns. Please be ready with the craft material. Over to you, Vinita ma'am.
All are ready with material? Come on, show me your materials. दिखा दो टीचर को आपने क्या क्या लाया है. You need one A4 size any color paper. Just take it in your hand. And what you have to do, you have to just make a lines on that. Apply some glue.
Your paper like this. तो एक कोना खुला होगा यहाँ से. One part will be open from here. ठीक है? और एक बंद कोना होगा. तो जो बंद
Like that, we have to make a cylinder shape and you have to stick it back. ठीक है? आपका लालटेन पकड़ लो आपके हाथ में. जल्दी से.
To celebrate Diwali in a new way. Yes, so we have Navya and Arsalan to tell us about eco-friendly Diwali. Over to you, Navya and Arsalan.
Hello friends. Hello friends. How do you celebrate Diwali? We wear new clothes, eat sweet, and burn long crackers. जल्दी हमारे चकदा. You know about eco-friendly Diwali? No, I don't know. Let me tell you. We make rangoli by rice and flour and sodas by rangolis and lanterns by paper. Okay, can we use that in diyas? Yeah, it is always good idea, son. To have done diyas.
That is eco-friendly Diwali thought, and that is a wonderful thought, isn't it, children? To celebrate Diwali in a new way. And Navya and Arsalan told us so many ways to celebrate eco-friendly Diwali, isn't it? So we should always use earthen diyas instead of wax candles, right? We can decorate our homes using flowers, the natural flowers, handmade lanterns, as you made just now. Children can avoid burning of crackers. If you want to, you can choose the green crackers, right? So with this beautiful thought, we, the team of Little Millennium, want you all to celebrate this Diwali as the eco-friendly Diwali. So I want to call Vedehi to tell us the importance of sweets. Over to you, Vedehi.
Hello everyone. Please bring sweets. We all will have it together. In India, no festival is complete without sweets. Sweets are symbol of good gestures and celebration. So let's celebrate this Diwali with sweets. All please have it.
So now I think that we all had the sweets, Anna. So Now I want to call upon Narayani to tell us the importance of lighting the diya, and we all will light the diyas with light.
Hello friends, let's spread some positivity by lightening diyas. As Diwali is festival of light, इस दिए की रोशनी से जल से आपका भी जीवन भरा हो. Sitamrita Singh madam. Now let dance Sitamrita Singh ma'am.
So over to you, Mahira.
Thank you for joining us in the event full of happiness and positivity. May the festival of lights fill your life with sparkle of joy. Thank you. Happy Diwali, everyone. Yes. Thank you to all my friends for making this event memorable. I, on behalf of our school, wish you all happy Diwali.
So children are the world's most valuable resource and is best hope for the future. So I must appreciate all the children of RTF 2A children for doing the event so flawlessly. So they all want to wish you all happy Diwali together. So I want to see every one of them on the screen and for doing the event so flawlessly and so nicely. So it's a small wish from RTF 2A children, and then after we will be having Rajni ma'am's some few words. So yes children, unmute and wish everyone
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
So this was a small initiative by the RTF 2A children and they did so nicely. But I want Rajni ma'am to say the vote of thanks.
मैम बच्चों ने इतना अच्छा किया ना कि नो वर्ड्स, मतलब मैं जो बोलना चाहिए ना वर्ड्स ही नहीं मेरे पास बोलने के लिए. But still I say thank you, supportive parents and my dear teacher. Thank you for the support and encouragement you always show us. I especially thank you to our little ones who performed so well today. You all rocked the event today. So thanks to parents for the immense belief and support us. So again wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali.
So let's clap our hands together for them, right Amrita ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Let's give them a round of applause.
Happy Diwali!
Celebration, नाचो धनाधन, म्यूजिक बजाओ, कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, पूरा फ्लोर हिल जाए, बात न आए, शोर मचाए, पार्टी जो न करे उसको डांटा पाए फलक से, आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से.
Yes, we are getting beautiful feedbacks in the chat box as well.
Bye everyone. Bye. Happy Diwali. Enjoy Diwali. Right with your family and have a safe Diwali to everyone. Bye. Take care. Happy Diwali. Bye bye. Take care.
आई दिवाली दिए जलते टिम 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 जैसे रोशनी का मौसम. आई दिवाली खुशियाँ भरने बैठे रहो ना यूं गुमसुम. घर से जब निकलेंगे हम बकरी घूमती है ज़ूम ज़ूम, अनार बरसता है रिमझिम। आई दिवाली रहे सुरक्षित, रखे एक दूजे से दूर कदम। रंगोली सजती सबके घर, लाल और पीले भर के रंग। आई दिवाली सजने संवरने, मिलके गाएंगे मीठी धुन। आए लड्डू और चमचम, इतनी मिठाई ना पड़ती कम। आई दिवाली खाए मिठाई, खुशियाँ मनाए हम हरदम। आई दिवाली, दिए जलते टिम टिम टिम, जैसे रोशनी का मौसम। आई दिवाली खुशियाँ